Today's topic is under Inam Abolition Act, new notification has been issued stating that those who are not filed any application for grant or re-grant of the land in question, which is Inamdars, service holders. So likewise, in those years, in the year 1954, the Personal Miscellaneous Inam Abolition Act, those who are rendering service in the village, they are eligible to file application for grant of lands belongs to the government. Likewise, today's topic is pertaining to government notification. Just you note down, this is the notification issued in and published in Karnataka Gazette. That is on 18/1/22. This notification published in the Gazette notification on the same day. What is the topic behind this? Now, since 1954, several applications are filed. Several applicants are unable to get their re-grant land in their favor, even though they are serving in the temple, serving in the villages, but unable to get their application to be re-grant. The land belongs to the government and belongs to the temple. So likewise, the 5 acts, please note down, these are the 5 acts has been notified in this Gazette notification, stating that those who are not filed any application for re-grant of land belongs to the government, which are declared as Inam lands, So for example, I want to tell you, now certain temples are there. Those temples are having 500, 600 acres without cultivation. Till today, nobody has filed application. Now, they are eligible to file an application. Therefore, these are the acts. These are the 5 acts are introduced in this Gazette notification. Now, first is Karnataka Certain Inam Abolition Act, that is 1977. Those who are affected and dismiss their application for re-grant, now they are eligible to file under this provision, that is Karnataka Certain Inam Abolition Act, that is 1977. They are eligible to file. This is first act they have introduced. The second act is, I think you know, Sandur. Sandur is in Ballari district. There is a huge Inam lands because more peoples are belongs to the, that is inheritance by way of they are Rajas, they are princes, and some of them are holding the lands belongs to the, in those days, that is Mysore, just like Mysore Prant, Mysore Palace. So likewise, they are the Rajas, they are princes, those who are holding the lands. Therefore, in Karnataka, the Sandur is also one of the big, the what is called as, that is one of the Raja who has rendered his service in that place. Therefore, Karnataka into bracket, Sandur area, bracket close, Inam Abolition rules 1976. Those who are affected in the Sandur areas, they are also eligible to file for re-grant application. Re-grant means that application should be filed within a year. That is the law laid down by way of amending the provision of these acts. So now third one is, that is Mysore Personal and Miscellaneous Inam Abolition Act 1954. Now I want to say example for this. Some of the Patels, some of the Shanbogs, and some of the people who are served as a Nirganti or in the Gram Panchayat, they have served towards public people, and those who are Patels, those who are night and day, they are protecting the areas by way of servicing in the villages. Likewise, such people, they have also right to file application for regrant under the provision of Mysore Personal and Miscellaneous Inam Abolition Act Rules 1956. So now three also there. Now another. This is Mysore Dharmika Datti. That is Inam Abolition Act Rules. That is 1956, Endowment Act. And under Endowment Act, several archakas, several temple protectors, those who are working in the temple, they are also liable to file an application before the Tahsildar. All the people, they should file application before the Tahsildar. Now, next act is concerned Karnataka Village Officers Abolition Inam Act. That is 5th Act. Now, these are the 5 acts and rules laid down for filing an application for regrant. Those who are not filed any application in those days. So therefore, they are eligible to file application for regrant within a year from the date of notification, that is 18/1/22. 17/1/1922. If within a year, if you are going to file, then only this application is in time. Beyond that, you can't file any application. Under these provisions, that is, these 5 acts they have laid down in the notification, they are eligible to file application for regrant of land. Land belongs to the government. Those Inam lands are available in the villages, available in the towns, because you see one example I want to give you. Now Someshwara temple at Siddhapura, that is nearby Nimans. I have also filed application for regrant. Then one of the application I have filed, I was granted. Some of them they have questioned about the grant, stating that they are also having right over the said grant. So therefore, that matter has been referred to the tribunal, and it is fighting for against the Someshwar temple. Temple authorities are not objecting for regrant in favor of them. Subsequently, what happened in those days, 1954 onwards, those applications are filed before the land tribunal, every talukas. Now, then, one of the judgment passed by our own Honorable High Court of Karnataka, stating that the tribunal has no jurisdiction, that is Sri Kudli Mahasamsthana from Shivamogga district. It was fought for that because they are having Mahasamsthana land, huge lands. Therefore, filed application in form number 7, because the temple authorities or temple archak has no right to file any application, right to claim, as if he is a landowner. So therefore, that matter has been referred. Only the deputy commissioner shall re-grant the or order for grant of those Inam lands. So therefore, likewise now, that period, those lands are available till today. Inam lands are available in every villages or every talukas. Therefore, they are eligible to file application, and those persons who are quasi-tenants, permanent tenants, as well as some of the Kadim tenants, because Kadim means some of the tenants who are cultivating the land without having any document, they are eligible to file application. Likewise, they are now also they can file application under these provisions. One is, note down please, Karnataka Certain Inam Abolition Rules 1977. One. Second one is Karnataka into brackets Sandur area, that is in Ballari district, Inam Abolition Rules 1976. Then another Mysore Personal and Miscellaneous Inam Abolition Rules 1956. And fourth one, that is Mysore Dharmika Datti Inam Abolition Rules 1956, means endowment. So fifth one is Karnataka Village Officers Abolition Inam 1961. So my clarification for you is this: who has to file application? That is main important. Now you see in these Inam Abolition Act, first, some of the certain Inam lands are available in the villages. Who can file? Only the legal heirs of those who are served in the village. They are eligible to file applications. Likewise, Archak, he is also entitled to file application because even though he is conducting the puja in the temple, but still now temple, if it is not recognized to inheritance, so therefore inheritance, it is not available to him. So he can also file the application before the Tahsildar. Now, under all these provision of rules, before Tahsildar, you should file application. What is the application you have to enclose? These are the documents you have to enclose along with this application. First one is you have to extract RTC, that is Pahani, mutation. Likewise, RTC extract of land claimed for regrant. Wherever you want to, in this survey number, this is Inam lands, therefore I am entitled to regrant, you have to enclose RTC or Pahani. Next, extract from the Inam registered in respect of land claimed by the regrant. Now Inam has been declared by the government. Several lands are available in the revenue records, and that extract you also enclose along with the application. Inam title deed or other proof of infringement of the land claimed by regrant. Inam title is also available. Now certain Inams, the Shanbhog Inams and temple Inams, Venkateshwara temple Inams, likewise you have to get extract from the land. Sale deed or other document for which came in possession of land claimed for regrant. One of the sale deed has been executed in favor of somebody or created document of sale deed for Inam lands. That also, if sale is there, they are also eligible to file application, because you see some of them, now those who are Patel or Shanbhogs, they have worked together. So they have sold the land. But if the land is continuously in the name of government, so that person who has purchased, he is also entitled to file regrant application. Now, original challan for having credited the occupancy price or other proof of any such payment. Now, in those days, those who are inamdars, they might have filed application or might have payment has been made. Such receipt also should be enclosed. This is form number 1. That is form available along with the Gazette notification. You have to extract it, and all the columns should be filled up, whose name it was and who was the inamdar, which are the areas and assessment, period for which applicant has been cultivating the land. The second column, not original inamdar, because inheritance is there. Original inamdar are not available because 1954 maybe those inamdars are having right over the property, but now they are no more. So therefore their names should be granted. And how many years they are cultivating the land and interested, getting registered as an occupant of the infringement. So they have also eligible to file. And the family which is member hold following names in the self, wife, minor children, unmarried daughters, any other particulars, and that shall be mentioned in the column number 5. Sixth is enclosures. These are the documents you have to enclose along with your application. So application form of application is available along with form number 1A, rule 4A of the Inam Abolition Act. So kindly maybe look into for grant of application under section 11 for registration of occupancy right. These are the 5 acts and introduced by the government. However, extended the time limit 1 year and to file the application for regrant of land for the purpose of getting the Inam lands in your name. So this is the topic I want to introduce because being you are advocate, being you are student of LLB, you have to introduce the people in your villages. Wherever Inam lands are not re-granted or not granted, they can file application for re-grant continuously within a year by enclosing all the documents. What are the documents I have stated to you? So therefore, please note down, this is the Gazette notification issued in Karnataka government, that is on 18/1/22. Now it has been released. So therefore, I am bringing you, because now already we have crossed 6, this is June month, another 6 months is there. So therefore, you have to introduce the public at large, because being advocate, what is your service? Advocate means you should be given information to the public, and you should give certain rules and regulations to honorable judges, because you must know what is what. So therefore, we have to introduce to the public, because public help is also required. So therefore, please, I am again and again requesting you, this is the notification has come. Please file application within a year. Another 6 or 7 months is remaining, and this is the form is available for you. So many people are come across. They have come over to us and stating that, sir, is there any application to be filed now also? Then this act came to know now. Several people, they do not know when it should be filed. And within 6 months, they have to file now. Already 18/1/22, it was Gazette notification. It is public notification. Therefore, please take note down. All the people, all the students, they must know. They have to introduce to the people wherever the Inam land is available. They have to file form number 1 under section 11 of the Karnataka Inam Abolition Act. It is available along with the Gazette. Kindly maybe note down all these facts. Even otherwise, if it is not possible for you, just you note down your names and father's name and family name, who was the original Inamdars. Likewise, you have to mention in white paper and enclose all these enclosures. Otherwise, it is very difficult to consider your application. So all particulars you should be mentioned even in a white paper. It is possible for you. So this is the topic today. Because of that, the peoples are not known about the Gazette notification, even though it is public circulation, but we are reading. But people, those who are residing in the remote areas, villages, or even in Bangalore city also, they do not know Gazette notification, or Gazette notification is not publishing in the paper. It has come paper because it was granted 1 year time from the date of notification. Please note down, under these 5 act and rules, they are eligible to file application for Inam. So this is my humble request. Please inform to your public, your parents, your relatives, and they can file application. So thank you very much. Is there any question? You please ask me.
No doubt, sir.
Yes. Please inform everybody.
Yes, sir.
Sharmila madam, please inform all these rules. Now Gazette notification has come. Every day the peoples are coming. They do not know what is what going on, because pertaining to Inam lands filing application. In those days, they used to ask us, but we do not know. Land reforms period was extended in the year 1996. Form number 7A, they shall file under Land Reforms Act, means Uduvavane Raita. Those applications are dismissed, and we are filing today also before Land Tribunal. 7A form, but not 7. 7 in those days when the 66 Act, Land Reforms Act came into force, and that is form number 7. Those who are filed, they are fight before the tribunal and got the lands. Likewise, 1977 introduced, period was extended. 1996, form number 7A was introduced. Now the same thing relating to the Inam land, 1 year fixing, but already 6 months is over. Another 6 months is remaining. If you have given information to the public or anybody Inamdars, they are eligible for regrant of government land. So you please inform them.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Ranjith, Gangadhar, Dolly, inform everything to the public at large. Only 6 months is remaining to file an application for regrant of Inam lands. Inform to all the people, those who are Inamdars, either in your village or in the town, everywhere. If it is available, it is necessary to teach them. This is the application you would have filed. Automatically